Startup essentials for a pothole patching business. What's going on? My name is Judd Burdon, president of Asphalt Kingdom. I've been in the industry 20 years and my mission is to help you. I've helped thousands of people all over the globe start their very own asphalt maintenance business. Whether it's crack sealing, pothole patching, seal coating, or line striping, I've helped them through the process of understanding exactly what equipment they need for pothole patching services to be able to go out and make $1,000+ every single day that they go out and work. Let's go ahead and dig right into this. First and foremost, asphalt is everywhere and it needs to be maintained. Otherwise, it becomes unsafe. Let's talk about potholes that need to get patched. So, asphalt over time dries out just like dry skin and it cracks. Water gets into the crack, erodes the foundation, the asphalt collapses, creating a pothole or depression that ultimately becomes a liability risk, a tripping hazard that ends up in a place of potential litigation for a property owner. It's the last thing they want. It's also a tremendous eyesore. So what I'm going to teach you about is what you need to be able to repair these potholes in a way that allows you to have a flush surface, eliminating the liability risk for property owners, and essentially lining your pockets with money. First and foremost, you need to go out and you need to find these parking lots and places that have potholes on them. Really easy. Get in your car or truck, go scope them out and find properties that have potholes on them, because let me tell you, that property owner is waiting for you to walk in and let them know that you do pothole patching on parking lots and driveways. Once you actually communicate with them, you're going to find a lot of the time they're like, oh my goodness, I've been waiting to actually get this repaired, because most of the time when property owners, facility managers, or property managers call a company to do the pothole patching, they end up getting a paving company. And a paving company will generally not immobilize all of their crew and their trucks and their equipment because it costs them like $2,000 or $3,000 just to get that all immobilized. They won't go out for a job that's $1,000 or $2,000. They would lose money. That's where you come in. You're in a niche that has tremendous demand and is solving pain points for property owners, facility managers, and property owners that ultimately need this service. Otherwise, it's a liability risk and it could lead to litigation. So what we do from the time that we find these pain points and these job opportunities, we then go ahead and we get cold patch. Cold patch comes in bags where you essentially cut the top off, you dump it in the hole that you've cleaned out about 2 inches deep, and you compact it with a hand tamper. That's one way. The second thing that you can do as another option, which is more of a permanent fix and seamless repair, is you use an infrared machine. That heats up the old asphalt that's there. You put in asphalt millings or brand new hot asphalt, you heat that area up, you rake it out, and then you compact it with a plate compactor. That's the professional way to do it. But don't worry, you can start out small and grow your way up to becoming a professional pothole patching company that provides pothole patching services for parking lots and homeowners. You can generally get started in the pothole patching business for around $5,000 if you want to go to the pro level. If you want to start out very, very small, you can use cold patch, like I was mentioning earlier, that fills in the void, prevents the liability risk for property owners, and ultimately makes it safe and longer lasting. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Oh, I also would love it if you would comment down below. Like, are you adding this to an existing business possibly for yourself? Or are there other companies in your area that you've seen doing this kind of stuff? Because let me tell you, there's a blue ocean of opportunity out there. I'd love to hear more in the comments below. Let me know if you're adding this to an existing business or starting it up for the very first time. And if you do message, send me more, I'm going to send you a special template that we have that will help get you kickstarted in the pothole patching business. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Click that ringy bell notification as well, so that every time we push out content, you get notified. Looking forward to seeing you in the comments below. If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video, or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.